everyone. Today, me and my dad are going to do our translation test.
Bula.
And also, I'm a boy from Waila Wulambasa.
Mamasinga?
Bambasing.
Okay, so the translation test. Can you give me the Fijian words for, say, the sea?
Waitui.
Excellent. The river?
Uliwai.
Knife.
Sele.
Plate?
Veleti.
The sky?
Lomalangi.
Okay, what if we finish eating and we burp?
Derekona.
Oh. A tough one, eh? I thought it was a tough one for you. Okay, good boy. Nice. And hiccup.
Mavendru.
Okay. The chair you sitting on here?
Damendambe.
All right. The last one. What will be the last one? Will be. Say, what about the trees?
Vunikau.
And grass?
Do.
Vinaka. That was nice.
Miove.